As I was moving my terrace garden, I just felt like today let's cut this Tora. Can you just see? Tora or the Arbi from my garden, terrace garden. It's such a beautiful, just see, right from the garden. It looks so beautiful and you feel really happy when something comes out from. So I have cut Tora into fine cubes. Then you have Tora leaves. Then you have Tora stem here. We have taken 2 medium onions cut into small pieces. Then 2 medium-sized tomatoes grated. 4 green chilies. Chilies are totally up to your options. And you have here chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and cumin seeds. So I'll be using pink salt. You can let's move the pan. The pan is getting hot and we will be adding 4 spoons of oil. I'll be using sesame oil. So always use seed oils. So now I'll be adding a half spoon of cumin seeds. So just see, growing Tora at your place, you can use even the leaves and you can use the stem. But if you're buying from market, you can get only Tora. So always grow Tora at your place because it's so simple to grow. Just sow 1 Tora into your pot, mud pot, and you can have a beautiful garden, dark green leaves, big huge leaves. You can make so many things, and you can get these leaves as well as stem. So there are many varieties if you grow at your place. So now my cumin seeds are brown in color. I'll be adding my onions, 2 medium-sized onions to it. So what I have done is I've added turmeric a 1/4 spoon, chili 1/2 spoon, and then added the Tora into this. Mix it well, and now we'll be closing it. Since Tora is a sticky thing, you might get itching in your throat, so just add tomato, lemon, or even dry mango powder to it. So we'll be closing the lid. Let it cook. So now let's open the lid. So I think it is cooked, 3/4. So now let's add the stems to it, the Tora stems to it. It will take 5 to 8 minutes. And at the last stage, we can add aloo. And always don't worry about the salt. In the beginning stages, always use less of salt, and at the end, if required, you can add salt to it. You can always add salt if the salt is less, but if it is more, the whole thing goes spoiled. So always use salt, very little salt in the beginning. So this will be cooking for 5 to 8 minutes. So now let's open the lid. Yeah. Stems are almost cooked. Now we shall add our greens to it. So go green, eat green, and be healthy. And these Tora leaves you can get only if you grow Tora at your place, because you don't get in market leaves. Do you know why you don't get Tora leaves in market? Because they just get very soggy very soon. So now I'll be mixing the leaves and close the lid for 5 minutes and our thing will be ready. Let's remove the lid and check if our greens are cooked. Yes, our greens are cooked correctly. And now let's taste, because always taste the dish before you serve. So our greens are cooked, so let me taste. What you need salt. I think so half more spoon will be requiring. You could always add salt very little at the beginning and later on you can add. So this will be done, and let's mix it once again and close the lid. Just see how yummy it looks from your garden. Can you just believe? Growing Tora, it's a very simple thing. You can grow even your small mug pots, leftover, or the thrown baskets, whatever you find where you can grow in them. That's very, very simple. And just see the dish. I'll be closing the lid again for 3 minutes and the dish will be ready to serve. So let's open the lid. It is almost cooked, so salt is correct. Now what we have to do is just add 1 lemon juice to this, definitely, because for Tora, which gives you an itching in your throat, you should either fry it, or when you are without frying you have to add some sour thing like lemon. So I have added a lemon to it. So our dish is ready. And our dish is ready to serve. And so if you like my dish, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Rajni Sharma Malan, and many more dishes to come. Please keep watch my video vlogging of Bangalore, Chennai. So recipes, tips. So have this hot, yummy dish. Can you just see the smoke? Have a great time. And just you can serve in the same pot, and it is ready to serve. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Good night.